Lo! We are three wise men traveling from afar. We have followed the brightest star in the heaven, and it has led us here. Here, this humble manger. We bring gifts to the child. I bring the gift of frankincense. Frankincense!
Is that really how you're going to do it?
Yes.
Seriously, you're not even a little embarrassed.
I'm pretty sure those are my lines. Oh, let me check.
No, Mel, it's not about the lines, it's about the acting. Nobody cares about the lines.
Hey, those are my lines. I wrote those lines.
Yeah, sure, and they're great. You're great. But I think little improv could go a long way here.
No, we're not doing improv. Just stick to the script.
All I'm saying now is if you have the right emotional core, you can really bring your character to life. Let me show you how it's done.
Cut, hold, time out. Balthazar, we've talked about this. What did we say?
Even though I have vastly more experience than anybody else here, I should try to refrain from sharing my knowledge, as it may cause jealousy with the cast, even though they'd all probably benefit from my insight.
Right, but no. I think the exact words were, don't. One director, and that's me. I'm the only one who gives direction.
Fine. Look, Mel, acting's hard. Believe me, I know. If you want, I can take some of your lines.
You want to take some of my lines? No one is taking another character's line.
But if it would help Mel, I would be there for her. I could be like Chief Magi, and you could be like Magi Light.
I don't even know why I have to wear this beard. Because you're a magi.
Ah, correction. Magi Light.
But it's itchy. Why can't I just play the part as a woman? Because you're three wise men, not two wise men and a lady.
Maybe she could be a woman?
I am a woman.
But you don't look like a woman.
It's the beard.
I think we should just mix it up a bit and do a little improv.
No, we are not mixing it up. We are not rewriting the Bible.
Just try to keep an open mind. In my professional opinion...
Professional opinion? You're CPA.
Excuse me. I'm a multi-award-winning actor.
You got those awards from your local theater.
Multiple times. And I won it 3 years in a row.
So, are you implying that I should improvise and add my own lines to the script?
Yes.
No. I can say something like, I bring frankincense, which is a terrific gift, not as terrific as a reliably used vehicle from Mel's used cars on the corner of 4th and Main. No, Mel, just stick to the script.
People, do you realize that we will have an audience in here in less than an hour? And we haven't even run the entire show. Once. Please, people, can we at least just get to this final rehearsal?
Excuse me? Do we have to stay frozen through all of this?
Yes.
It's killing my knees.
I'm sorry for your character, but am I gonna have a real baby?
Yes, a real baby. My baby. Our baby. Really? Were you in labor for 36 hours?
I was there the whole time.
In labor?
No.
Be quiet, Mom. A real baby. My baby. Chameleon Scrover Kane. It's his first major acting role. He's a STAR. I'm a very famous Grace's mother. And I'm Carl. Second Carl. Yes, you are.
Actually, I don't. Hi, Carl. Nice to meet you.
Stop flirting with him.
I'm not flirting.
You took his hand.
I shook his hand.
Whatever. I've heard about these showmances. You better stay away from my wife, buddy.
Whoa, I am not your wife.
Yeah, you are. You're Joseph's wife.
But you're not really Joseph. You're Ben, a PE teacher. Look, I like you, but I'm not ready to be your wife.
Wow, you think you're on the same page as someone and then wham! I was not expecting this to happen.
Good evening, folks. Quite the final still coming along.
Yeah, it could be better.
No. It's going great, Pastor Bob.
Hey, Boss, take a look at this rig me and the crew are working on. This is where we're going to have the angels fly in from the ceiling.
Now? Do I go now?
No, not yet, dear.
But I do get to fly, right? You promised I could fly. It's the whole reason I said I would be in the show. How will anybody know I'm an angel if I don't fly?
Yes, Angel, I promise.
Fly.
We're shooting flying rigs into the ceiling. It's going to be huge. Best angels ever dropping out of the sky.
Is that going to be an intro on the show?
Possibly?
And you can do that all on Donut.
Oh, no. That'll be done Tuesday.
What? But the show's up tonight.
No, we're going to have to push back.
You can't push back. It's almost Christmas Eve. The Christmas show is on Christmas Eve. It's on Christmas show if you don't do it on Christmas Eve.
I think you're getting a little hung up on this whole Christmas thing.
Did someone order quick lights?
No, I don't think so.
Over here. Thanks for coming by on such short notice.
No problemo. I have 250 strands of lights, 100 individual bulbs per strand, for a grand total of 25,000 imported Italian quick lights. I can get these bad boys set up in about 4 hours. We might have to add another circuit breaker to your system, though.
20,000 tons per kilometers. New software for what for?
For a fact, it's a starry, beautiful night sky. The audience is gonna love.
4 hours? We're gonna have that kind of time.
I'll try to shorten it, but no promises.
Howdy do. I'm looking for the director of this year's shindig. Savage Sue's Exotic Animals. Savage Sue's Exotic Animals. Terrific. You have our animals?
Animals?
Yes, sir. I have 6 goats, 3 sheep, 2 camels, 1 donkey.
Partridge in a pear tree. Just a little holiday humor to lighten the tension.
I wasn't feeling any tension.
You will. We open under an hour.
Wait, you actually want to bring live animals into the sanctuary?
Absolutely. It's critical to the success of the show.
I got them tied out in the parking lot out back.
Okay, wow. The twinkle lights, the animals, the flying wind, that all sounds kind of expensive. How much is it going to cost?
Don't worry, good man. Already paid for.
Oh my, yikes. This is a lot of money. How'd you pay for this?
Oh, I took it out of the homeless shelter fund.
What? No, that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to raise money for the homeless shelter fund.
Ooh, don't worry, Pastor Pop, you'll make it up in ticket
We
sales.
only sell tickets. This is for the Tuesday service, so families can safely stay on cold winter nights.
No tickets. You might want to rethink that. The guys installing a flying rig for $150 an hour.
What?
Wherever in heaven, when they see the angel fly. Now, come on now. Soon, angel, soon. Sorry, y'all. That's the donkey. Might be a little noisy.
You're not going to get the whole show?
Don't worry, I'll take care of them.
Look, the whole point of the show is to raise money for the homeless shelter.
All right, people, listen up. We're a teensy bit over budget and an itty-bitty smidge behind schedule. Can we please just get through this last rehearsal? Please, people, we have to be perfect. We need a lot of donations tonight.
I got the donkey to shut up.
Wait, you didn't actually duct tape his mouth shut, did you?
Well, he ain't barking anymore, is he?
All right, moving on. Now, George, you're the innkeeper, and you're very angry with them because they came here and now there's all this noise and people and stuff. So be really mad, very angry. And action.
All right, everybody, what's going on out here? Who wants marshmallows? I rock cocoa.
What is he doing? That's not even close to his line.
I know, I was just thinking of some dimensionalizing. Plus, why'd I be mad at them? Because they came here and they're crowding up your stable. You're a businessman, this is costing you money. But that makes me look like I'm the bad guy.
Well, you're not the bad guy. You're just a businessman, like me, with great financing and Mel's used car.
Okay. I don't want to be the bad guy. I auditioned for the part of a wise man.
I'm sorry, buddy. 3 acting awards.
One of them is a woman.
Really? Which one?
Are you kidding? It's me! We can switch. I can play the wise man, and I can play the innkeeper. You'd still need a beard. Well, kids are just playing as a woman. What if I'm just spitballing here? Instead of kicking them out when they come to the room, I just fix them. Well, it's just nobody expected.
Ooh, improv. That could work.
We're not doing it wrong.
George, your in is full. I hate playing the bad guy all the time. All right, Mary, let's take it from your line.
I'm sorry, but when am I going to work with the baby?
Oh, he's taking your back right now. She'll be absolutely fine.
I feel like I can't really get into character until I work with the bad guy.
Ah, method acting. I get it. Good choice.
Here, in the meantime, you can use this baby doll.
What? No. My son is playing baby Jesus, not some doll. Carl, look at baby.
But then I'll be cranky.
Go get him. Who owns the blue Chevy SUV?
This guy. Why?
What kind of insurance do you have?
Why?
Well, he got a little angry and he kicked out a few of your door panels.
How many?
4.
4! Like it only has 4 doors.
There's a donkey running to the park lot out there.
Again?
I'm on it. You're gonna handcuff the donkey? Wait, no! These are for the goats loose in the fellowship hall. I got it for my tranquilizer dart for the donkey.
All right, people, focus. Mary, let's take her from your line.
Please, sir, could you keep it down? You're disturbing my baby. Was that alright? I just feel like you could have delivered that line better if I had the baby.
Yes, I agree, because right now I'm not fully believe in your performance.
I can play the area you do without a real baby.
But you're a man.
I'm not a man, I'm just wearing a beard. I'd be okay with that, especially since I've just been told that this relationship isn't gonna work out. So, what's your name? Gabby.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm getting to know Gabby. I think it's time to split up.
You're breaking up with me? I don't want to break up with you. I just want to take things slow.
Focus, people. No one is switching parts. Mary, let's take it from your line. Again.
Where's Cornelius?
He looks so peaceful. I didn't have the heart to wake him.
But this is his big moment. Bad news, boss. Turns out the beam we planned to drill the flying rig in is rotted out.
You mean I don't get to fly?
Sorry. No, Ken.
But you promised. I have family coming to see me fly. I have people from Pennsylvania coming to see me fly. How will anybody know I'm an angel if I don't fly?
I can do it. I can play the angel, and I can play the wise man. Don't worry, guys. The animals are all secured, but the goats ate the programs.
This place turned out to be a disaster.
I mean, it's not a total disaster. What else could possibly go wrong?
Is everyone okay? We're back to the lights.
Hey gang, sorry about the lights, but I got bad news for you. Turns out this building is so old that we can't get another circuit breaker, and your old one just flew. No can do on the 25,000 imported Italian Twas.
We don't need 25,000 in the time for the lights. Just please get the electricity back on.
I'll try.
I think I'm gonna quit while we're ahead.
Huzzah! I can play the wise man.
I'm sorry, buddy, but I really don't think you're wise man material yet. I will take Mel's lines.
No one's taking anyone else's line.
Mel, we can't do the show with two wise men. We need you.
Whoa there.
Whoa, what if we go in that drill there?
Since she won't drill a hole into the beam, I'm gonna do it. I'm determined to fly.
So, do you want to grab a cup of coffee after this? Sure.
I've got baby.
Oh, geez, that baby is louder than my donkey.
Here, you want some duct tape? Go! You did! Well, I'm ready to roll out. That'll be 3 grand.
I'll take cash or rental.
Oh, I knew I should have pushed hard for this to be a one-man show. I quit.
Me too.
Me and free. I can finally be free of this fear.
Good news, I got the lights to work again.
I quit. I can't stand one more second in this room with you.
Oh no, let the record show that I quit before you did.
You know, Mel,
I know that you've all sacrificed a great deal of ego tonight. You share your time and your talent. I appreciate all of you, and I believe in all of you. While this production might not have gone exactly as planned, I believe that if we all pull together, we can get the group waiting in the lobby at Joyce Hall. What do you say? Can we do that?
Alright.